Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Tap on the three bars icon and go to contacts. Here let's find the contact that you'd like to block and tap on it, and then scroll down to find block numbers. Just tap on it, and here your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So just tap on block to confirm, and here we've got this number, this characteristic icon next to the number, and it means that it has been blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way right here, unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to open the blacklist, you need to get back to this home section, tap on the three bars icon again and go to settings. Here go to blocked numbers, and this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts, which means that the previous option works. We can also tap on add a number and here enter it manually, just like that, and tap on block. Here at the top we've got also the option unknown, which means that after activating it by tapping on the switcher, you can block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can of course turn this option off too, and if you wish to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.